When you're in Japan and you're looking for a dirt cheap, less than $4 meal to eat that's delicious, this is for you. This is Chris from Beers in Japan. Today I'm excited to introduce one of the most popular type of dishes for Japanese single men to eat for lunch and dinner. Even they call salaryman, people who ready to go to work, eat for lunch as well. It's called gyudon. It's one of the most popular gyudon shops in all Japan. It's called Matsuya. When you go to a gyudon shop, you're gonna notice they have tons of stuff on the menu beyond the main thing. But here, this right here, this is gyudon. This is the #1 most popular dish. Right, this is how all these things started, and this is what we're gonna eat today. When you walk into a gyudon shop, you're going to notice they have different language options here. It's always ordered by a machine like this. It's funny here because I've actually never done this in the English menu, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Click English. Okay, so there we go. And I can choose dine in or take out. This is actually experience. I've never actually ordered in English at one of these restaurants. Okay, see those are specialty members, and to be honest with you, I would probably go for one of these. Those look really good if I wasn't making this video. But today we're gonna go with the standard gyudon. And where is that premium gyu meishi? They're calling it gyu meishi, I guess. Meishi means rice or meal. Okay, we're gonna go with the standard gyudon, which is here. And I'm gonna get the mini one because now that I've ordered, I'm gonna put my money in here. It's 330 yen, which is about $3. Once you've paid, the ticket's gonna come out like this. You grab your ticket and you're just gonna go have a seat and you're gonna wait for your number to be called. It's that simple. Lately, since COVID, there's these basically meaningless partitions on the table. This is the board where you look for your number to be called. When it's called, you go get your meal. I'm gonna take it to my table. Okay, now I'm all set to try my gyudon right here, guys. This is a little spice and people like to put it on this. I actually like this with the spice. Even though I've never eaten gyudon at this particular restaurant, I've eaten at the one or the other one. This place is great for the other stuff, to be honest with you. Matsu's a great place to try all sorts of other stuff. But anyway, we're gonna try the gyudon because this is the classic dish. And we're gonna put the spice on it here. First, let me try it out and see how it goes. The meat's soft, the rice is well cooked. It's got a little bit of sauce on there. I mean, this is one of these dishes that's, it's like McDonald's in America or Burger King or something like that. You know what you're gonna get. You know it's gonna be decent. You know it's gonna be a good meal. It may not be particularly great and special, but it's really good. One thing that surprises a lot of foreigners when they come to these fast food places here in Japan is all this is self-service. So you come over here and you grab the glass yourself. You stick it right here. And you choose whatever you want to drink. In this case, I'm going to choose cold water. See, the water is done. Just take it and you're good. Okay, so today was a fun day. And I got a hilarious laugh in the fact that I actually went to 3 different gyudon shops. First one you saw was Matsuya. Next one was Yoshinoya. And after I went to Sukiya. And I was looking at all the footage and putting the video together, and I realized I just basically shot the same video 3 times over, and I don't want to bore you to death. So I'll just say, look, there's 2 other cool shops to go to if you want cheap, less than $4 meal, and decent. The other ones are, in addition to Matsuya, Yoshinoya and Sukiya. Now, there's one thing that was really cool about Sukiya. When I got there, I was like, you know what? I'm sick of the standard gyudon. I'd already eaten it twice in one day. So I thought, let's try something a little bit different. And so what I did was I ordered the cheese Tabasco one. So they put a bunch of cheese on it and they had Tabasco. And that was actually quite tasty. So, guys, if you're in Japan and you're looking for a cheap, good meal and you don't want to spend a lot of money, you want something fast, I recommend you check out those 3 shops, like gyudon or even the other stuff they have on the menu. Some really good stuff there. If you're liking this content, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. And hey guys, if you're interested in something in Japan, you want to learn about something, put a comment below and I will make a video on it if I can, right? I'm not everything, and I probably can't cover everything you guys suggest, but I'll do my best to cover and go over any video you guys want me to do. Cheers, and we'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Subscribe to this channel. Please do me a favor and help me out and subscribe. Cheers.